Okay, so McDonald's has a brand new McCrispy Strips. How does it compare to KFC's Chicken Tenders? Let's check it out together right now. All right, we are at KFC checking out a couple of brand new items. First problem is getting through this bag. They made this so tight, there's only one way to do it. The hack. You gotta twist these things real tight, like this, on both sides. And then, if the hack is right, you just push them through. Let's see if that actually works. That don't work. Well, these hackers know anyway. All right, maybe it helped, I don't know. So McDonald's just came out with their brand new McCrispy Strips, basically chicken tenders. KFC has their own tenders. Are they better than McDonald's? I just tried McDonald's yesterday. We also have their comeback sauce. Not sure what comeback sauce is, but zesty and peppery. All right, let's try it. See if it's any good. I could see the peppers right there. Smells good. Smells a little like Thousand Island dressing. I don't know. All right, anyway, let's try this tender. Just got one tender. What? Oh, these aren't tenders. These are their mashed potato poppers. That you need the gravy for. Where's the gravy, dude? Hopefully the gravy's in here because you got to have that gravy for mashed potato poppers. What do we got? What do we got? Gravy. Yes. Okay. Before we begin, do me a favor. Let's play a little game. I want you to guess, what do you think I'm going to score the KFC chicken tender? 1 to 10, 10 being the best. Here it is. I got one chicken tender from KFC. Voila. There we go. Okay. It's very hot. Super hot. Kind of looks like a mozzarella stick, right? It's got the special KFC coating. It's got the KFC coating, whatever you call it. How their chicken is. You get the chicken with their fried chicken with a special KFC coating with the famous secret 11 herbs and spices. All right, let's just try it. First, let's try it without anything on it. Let's see. Wow. This is so much different than McDonald's. The McCrispy Strip was kind of dry. This is not dry at all. It is very, very, very flavorful and full of juiciness. It's pretty good. Okay, let's try their comeback sauce. See if we want to come back for more. This is really good, actually. I love KFC's traditional 11 herbs and spices chicken batter. I love their batter. I mean, come on, it's world famous. It's been around for like 1,000 years. And this sauce is pretty good. 100% white meat chicken. And this tastes fantastic. This happens to be a really good chicken tender. Sauce is good. Wow. All right. That was really, really good. All right. We got to score it between 1 and 10, 10 being the best. 7.7. I mean, it's really good. It blows away the McDonald's McCrispy Strips. I mean, blew it away, blew it out the door, slammed the door in its face and smacked it silly. It was just so much better, so much more flavorful, and so much juicier and white meat chicken. And I mean, the McDonald's had white, but it was kind of dried out in a lot of places, and it was super thin. This was plump. I like plump breasts. This is plump and juicy. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We got plenty more to review, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next Sunday Reviews. Later, Gators.